Hello planner friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another plan with me to share with you for the week of June 21st through June 27th. For this week I did pull in a kit from Glam Planner. Unfortunately I don't remember what it's called. I've had it in my collection for a couple of years now and the collection name was not listed on the sheets at all. At least not that I could see, and frankly I can't find it in my order history, probably because it was ordered a really long time ago. But anyway, yeah, so I used this older format kit from Glam Planner this week. I think this might have been a glitch kit. I typically only buy her glitch kits these days, usually because they're super discounted and rarely can I actually find what the problem is with the kit with her glitch kits. So yeah, just pulled in what I think is a glitch kit for this week. The headers that I used, the gem headers, are from Planner Gems, who is not currently open. I don't know if she's planning on reopening or not. I did check her Instagram and it looks like her last post was from December of 2018. It's been quite a while since I've heard anything from her. So yeah, I would guess that she's probably not planning on opening anytime soon, just because I haven't heard anything in quite a while. Let's see, the date covers that I pulled in are from Sadie's Stickers, as are the date dots that I pulled in, and just really wanted to use Holo foil for this week. I think those date covers matched really, really well with the spread, and I think the colors are just super cute. Also, I will apologize if you hear the airplane noises happening in the background or any sort of street noise happening in the background. I live fairly close to an airport and it is 5:15 on a week evening when I'm recording this voiceover, so you tend to hear a lot of road noise and airplane noises. I will try my best to edit those out as much as possible, but if you hear those in the background, I apologize. So I believe this kit came with 7 full boxes, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here, I'm just putting together the 2 strips of bottom washi because this kind of kit is made to go in the Glam Planner A5 inserts. So yeah, the 2 pieces of bottom washi for the right side of the planner come in 2 parts. Anyway, what I'm doing here is I took one of the matte extender matte full box extender boxes from Scribble Prints Co. and I just put over it a bunch of washi from Simply Gilded, and then I just trimmed around it to make that 8th full box. And I think that worked out really, really well. I really like how it turned out, actually. And then I moved over to my sidebar. I used one of the flags that came with the kit. That June script is from Letters to Apollo. Then I put down 3 habit trackers. All of those are from Glam Planner, but I think only 2 of them are from this kit in particular. Then I used the weekly tracker, a this week header, a little piece of washi, and then a to-do header followed by one of her heart checklists just to track some of the things that I needed to get done this week. Moving back up to the habit trackers, I did put down 3 scripts. Those are all from Kinsey's Creations, who is not currently open, but I will link her Instagram, I believe, down in the description if you are interested in seeing when she opens. And then I did also put the banner style weekend banner on the weekend just because, I don't know, it reminded me of all of the OG weekend banners and I thought it was super cute. So moving into the day by day, on Monday, first thing I wanted to mark was that we had thunderstorms. I really enjoy thunderstorms, so I like marking them in my planner. That Maru sticker is from Paper and Milk. Then I marked that the trash needed to go out. It was trash day that day, and that trash icon, I believe, came with the kit, if I'm not mistaken. Then I put down this lolly sticker from Glam Planner to mark that I worked from home. I guess I was really struggling with the spacing here, so oops. But anyway, yeah, the lolly sticker is from Glam Planner, and then the work from home script that I pulled in is from Letters to Apollo. After that, I marked that we had our HelloFresh box delivered. That package little thing came with the kit. And then after work that day, I needed to do some gardening, just checking in with our vegetable plants that day, and yeah, that gardening icon is from Scribble Prints Co. Moving down to the second half of Monday, the first thing that I wanted to mark was that I had to add polyurethane to the tabletops that I was working on. And it looks like I pulled in a bunch of like little things and labels and things like that from my leftover stash. So I'm not going to be able to tell you where every label is from, just because I don't remember. All of my leftovers are sort of in sticker books all jumbled together. So yes, but I tried to use coordinating colors. So there's that. Anyway, to polyurethane the tables, or to mark polyurethaning the tables, I used this sponge icon from Scribble Prints Co. Then I marked cooking dinner with a cooking maru from Paper and Milk. After dinner, I did some yoga and I pulled in a Bipity, I believe. That's Bippity and Boo. Yeah, I think that's a Bippity from Glam Planner to mark the yoga. And then we needed to go grocery shopping later in the evening, so I pulled in this grocery icon from Moonlight Paper Co. Also, I did pull in one of my jelly rollers for all of the black labels. Well, I was going to use a lot more black labels in this spread because I really liked the black accents that the spread had, but I was getting really annoyed with having to use the white pen over the black just to get it to show up. So that was pretty much the only black label that I actually used. But anyway, moving on to Tuesday, the first thing was that I made myself some iced coffee. That coffee cup sticker is from Scribble Prints Co. Then I marked working from the office. That lolly again is from Glam Planner. The work script is from Letters to Apollo. Then I was feeling like I needed some space after work, so I pulled in this I Need Space Maru from Paper and Milk. And then our souvenirs from our trip the previous week arrived that day, so I wanted to mark that in. We ended up getting poke bowls for dinner, so I just pulled in this fork and spoon sticker from Crafts by Towie to mark that. And then I needed to get a couple things on the new tables done, so I needed to buff the tabletops after the poly was added, and then I needed to attach the table legs that day. After working on the tables, I did some more yoga. Again, the lolly is from Glam Planner, and then I spent the rest of the evening just working on some journaling, and that highlighter Maru is from Paper and Milk. On Wednesday morning, the first thing that I marked was that I was feeling really exhausted, so I pulled in this polka and dot sticker from Glam Planner to mark that. Then I marked working from home the same way that I had on Monday. I think I made myself an iced chai that day, so that's why I pulled in that coffee sticker that is also from Scribble Prints Co. And I believe that gem box is from Planner Gems. After I made myself a chai, or probably like after work, I did some filming. That camera sticker is from Crafts by Towie, and then I spent the rest of the evening just hanging out and painting my nails. And I believe that nail painting sticker, or that nail painting icon, is from Moonlight Paper Co. as well. Moving on to Thursday. Thursday, really not much happened. I worked, so I just marked that the same way that I did on Tuesday because I went into the office. We had poke bowls again that day, so I marked that with a poke bowl sticker. I believe that's from Hazel Sticker. And then I did some more yoga in the evening. Again, that Bippity sticker is from Glam Planner. I had a really hard time figuring out where I wanted to put it. And yeah, I ended up pulling up some of the ink on that half box, so I just put it right back down basically where it was. And then spent some time reading for the rest of the evening, and that book stack sticker is from Crafts by Towie. Oh, I might have forgotten to mention the water trackers on the bottom of every day. Those are from Glam Planner as well. Moving on to Friday, I had an infusion appointment first thing in the morning. That syringe sticker is from Little Miss Paperie. After that, I treated myself to some lunch at McDonald's. The French fry sticker is from Paper and Milk, and the script is from Kinsey's Creations. Then I marked working from home the same way that I had on Monday and Wednesday. Then after work, I used this Happy Maru from Paper and Milk to mark something private, so I didn't actually fill out that label on camera. Later in the evening, I was not feeling super well. That's pretty or that was pretty typical when I was having my infusions, that, you know, I basically wouldn't feel well for the rest of the day. So I just used this like sick looking bippity to mark that I wasn't feeling very well. Wow, I had poke 3 times this week. Dang, okay. Yeah, I guess I had poke again this evening. Again, that poke sticker is from Hey Soul Sticker. Then I pretty much had the whole evening to myself. I think my husband was out doing, I don't know, something else. So I just used this like relax pillow sticker from Crafts by Towie to mark that. And then I did some reading and used a book sticker also from Crafts by Towie to mark that. Moving on to Saturday morning, I slept in. So I used this sleeping lolly and pop to mark that. Then I took some time and snuggled my fur babies. I think that paw print sticker came with the kit, if I'm not mistaken. Then my husband made me coffee, which I always really enjoy. The coffee cup with the Maru is from Paper and Milk, and then the Dave Made Me Coffee sticker is a custom from Planner Just For You. And Sophie of Planner Just For You now has an Etsy shop. I will go ahead and link her Etsy shop down below. I believe it's digital only. Moving on to the second half of Saturday, I did some more reading. I pulled in a book icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that. Then I pulled in a 3-heart checklist to mark all of the places that I needed to go that day. I had a bunch of errands to run, so I had to go to Target, Lowe's, and DSW. And then that evening we watched Mugen Train. And I pulled in a TV icon from Crafts by Towie as well. I think that was when we purchased it on DVD or something. I don't think that was the day that we went to the theater, but I could be wrong. I don't know. It's been a while since I actually did this spread. So anyway, moving on to Sunday. Again, my husband made me coffee. I pulled in another Maru from Paper and Milk and a script sticker from Planner Just For You. Then I needed to work on sanding the bookcase that I was working on. I pulled in another sponge sticker from Scribble Prints Co. because really I didn't know what else to use to mark that, but yeah. Then we had to go to Pet Supplies Plus, so I pulled in this cart sticker that is from Little Miss Paperie to mark that. And then we had a graduation party to go to, and that balloon icon is from Little Miss Paperie as well, I believe. Later that day, I needed to work on priming a bookcase, so I just pulled in a heart little thing to check off that I worked on that. Then I was looking through a bunch of old photos, so I just pulled in this camera icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that. It was a super rainy evening that day, so I just pulled in this rain cloud sticker that is from Paper and Milk to mark that. And then I ended up with a headache that evening, so I just pulled in a very tired looking Paper and Milk Maru. So here I am just going to go ahead and put my page back into my planner. And here is a little Viv Wiggle to show off the accents of Holo foil. I really love how shiny this spread turned out, even though it wasn't like super foiled or anything like that. And that was everything I have left in the kit. I hope you enjoyed this spread. I hope you are all taking good care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!